Okay, so let us study about the room air conditioner. So room air conditioner works on the principle of vapor compression refrigeration. Mainly it consists of what? Evaporator, compressor, condenser and expansion. Okay. The evaporator and expansion valve is placed inside the room, that is room side. So whereas this compressor and condenser is placed outside the room. And it also consists of double shafted motor. At one end of the shaft is fixed with the blower and another end of the shaft is fixed with the fan. So this is about the construction. Now let us come to the working. Let us consider what kind of refrigerant. Low temperature, low pressure, liquid refrigerant is in the evaporator. Okay. So now what happens? The blower is going to draw the air from the room. It is going to draw the air from the room through filter, and it will be passed to the evaporator. And what happens in the evaporator? The refrigerant is going to extract the heat and undergoes phase change from liquid to vapor. And also the temperature of the air will become cooler. And once again it is passed back to the room where it will be mixed with the room air and the temperature will be reduced. Is it clear? So next what happens? So we are going to come low temperature, low pressure, vapor refrigerant is drawn into the compressor where it will be compressed to what? High temperature, high pressure, vapor refrigerant. It is passed to the where? Condenser, where heat will be rejected into the atmosphere with the help of fan. Okay, and undergoes phase change. Phase change to what? Low temperature, high temperature, low temperature, high pressure, liquid refrigerant is passed to the expansion valve where it expands to low temperature, low pressure, liquid refrigerant. Once again it is in the evaporator. The blower is going to draw the air from the room and to be passed to the filter. And once again, after extracting the heat from the air, the refrigerant undergoes phase change from liquid to vapor, and the cycle is going to repeat. In the same way, so the blower is going to extract the warm air from the room, and it will be cooled and once again pass it back to the room. In this way, the temperature of the room is maintained at the required temperature. So this is the working of what? Room air conditioner. Is it clear? So alarms are important and the parts are very important. Okay. So that is what you are going to get the